Okay, I'm at Julie Mueller's house in Darien. All right. One of the first things we talked about was sprucing up this area, removing the dogwood tree, putting another focal tree in this area, having this area tie in to the landscaping for the front of the house. The fence would be reinstalled just in front of the propane tank, and then probably end up putting in a small plant in front of the fence over there to kind of soften the fence, and possibly a tree off this corner where you get a little more sunlight, okay, to frame the house. All right. And perhaps there's some sort of a landscaping in this area. I'd probably remove that crabapple tree, which doesn't look good, and rethink this little bed in here. Okay. Along the front of the house, you have like a 2 foot by 3 foot area here, and then a 13 foot by let's see, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 7, 14 by 7 foot area here. Need to think about drip line going through this area. Had to lift up the walkway, put it back down again to get the drip line access through here. Probably add an extra conduit for outdoor lighting in the future if they wanted to do that. So 2 conduits going through there. Remove the Manhattan euonymus in this area, which is just overgrown, and again have this whole area tie in. East is facing this way, so this is shady after probably like 10 o'clock in the morning. It's very shady in here. They liked the landscaping over at James's house, very simple, long blooming colors. There is a large tree canopy on this side as well, so you don't get a lot of afternoon sun in this area. In the front of the house, we talked about as a temporary fix, just so they don't have to live with a mud pit, is seeding the bare areas. Probably core area and seeding it so you can break up some of this compaction so the seed will actually take. And then fill in with approximately 10 yards of topsoil, 10, 12 yards of topsoil in the future to fill this sinkhole. Okay. Need a lawn fertilizing maintenance proposal for the property, irrigation proposal. Going through here with all the compacting of the machines, the heavy machines going back and forth, this would require rototilling this area first, so to break up the compaction, because right now it's like almost like a cement pad. So we have a special machine that is basically rototills the area and loosens all the dirt prior to seeding it next fall. All right. Then we talked about the fact that you've got some beautiful anchor pieces with trees back here. You've got 2 bloodgood maples, one here, and then another type of a maple in the back. Basically clearing out this area in here, landscaping more along that fence to soften the fence, possibly removing or keeping the magnolia tree. Okay, vegetable garden in the back corner, landscaping again along the fence. All right. Possibly removing the Niagara arborvitae in the back so it doesn't encroach on the focal piece, which is the maple tree. Removing all the Rose of Sharon and all the tall growth along this fence and installing another type of a taller screen, so when they're entertaining on the deck, they're not blocking the view. They are blocking the view into the neighbor's property because they're basically looking over the fence. So that ends up being roughly, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, almost 70 to 80 feet along this edge. There is an evergreen in the back corner now, though. There's a spruce tree that you'd probably end up leaving. Okay, and that's still roughly 10 feet from the corner, in the back corner of the property. So again, a lot of lawn renovation back here. You got a long, tall foundation in here. There's gonna be an outdoor shower here. This area of the property is very shady, actually, right here. But I would say you still want to mask the tall foundation with some plantings along this side as well, around the foundation of the house. And that's it. So we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.